Okay, this slope is not represented by a fraction, so things are going to be a little bit different. And the questions are a bit different. So in what region is this positive? And when you say what region, you might be thinking what quadrant, what area. Well, it's not going to be necessarily a quadrant. So do you want to draw the slope field? Me neither, but something's going to become very obvious as we do this. I want the slope to be positive, which really means I want this. I want the slope, which is this, to be positive. I'm going to just solve it. Solve it for what? Well, let's go for something logical. Solve it for y. So y is greater than x plus 1. Done. Like, done. I'm going to write it as a sentence. So dy dx is positive above the line y equals x plus 1. Okay? There we go. So if we drew it, we don't have to, but the line y equals x plus 1 would be this. And if we drew the slope field, then all our slopes would be positive right here and nowhere else, which means these are going to be negative or 0. So in what region is the slope 0? Actually, it would be this one right here. And let's do it. So y minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, because that is the slope. We actually just did this in a different context. We had it greater than, but now it's equal. So y equals x plus 1. So dy dx is 0 on the line y equals x plus 1. Now, the actual slope field, drawn in a different color than it normally is, would have lines here. So this line does not pass through a general solution to the slope field, to the differential equation. It doesn't pass through if we were to somehow be able to solve this one, and yeah, good luck with that one. But if we were to somehow be able to solve this like we've solved some of the other ones, and we have like y equals blah, blah, blah with a c, and we kind of sketch something, we wouldn't have this line going through it. But this is a line that differentiates between, differentiate, get it? Derivative. It kind of is the boundary between positive slopes, negative slopes, and those are where the slope is 0.